practice trust and not doubts. This is just a share, a reminder to each and every one of us that it is very important that we must practice trust instead of doubt. And why is that? Because so often we think we have to hide our struggles, hide our doubts, or we're not the person of faith. We think God will find fault and make us feel like we're fooling. But you are in doubt. Believe in God. Trust in God. Practice trusting instead of doubting. And believe me, it will really help to live your best life when you can be positive or practice in trusting the Lord.